Hey guys, check this out. Quick market update here. Let's dive in. Top crypto strategist says Bitcoin bursts to 30,000 if two conditions are met. This is before Tesla announced that they sold all 75% of their Bitcoin holdings. Now, to his defense, this is before that news broke. So at the time of that writing, Bitcoin is sitting at 23,069, and he's saying that that is a key level. We want to stay above that, and if it's a true rally, ETH is a bit overextended and should retrace and stop leading. Bitcoin lead the market and copy the ETH move. And so we'll see what happens. A nice reaction at the weekly demand so far, he's saying. And to be honest with you, this analysis was not taking into consideration that news about Tesla selling 75% of their Bitcoin. So this defense sitting there, we're still under 23,000 at the time of this recording. Bitcoin sitting at $22,681.01 and pretty much pulling back. So we'll see how this plays out. We'll keep you guys updated on it. But as of right now, that's what we see. Next, looking at Cardano, Virtua Cardano, and a CNFT, Cardano Island is doing big things. So Cardano special update this week, free NFT reward for Cardano Island small plot buyers is officially licensed Apex helicopter from the legendary entertainment blockbuster Godzilla vs. Kong. So they're doing big things, guys. Like, this project is doing big things. Checking out this other tweet, we're still not done with our Cardano Island OG rewards. So really what they're doing with the OG rewards is, they're allowing people who minted the land on Thursday, who had a lot of speed bumps, they'll get one extremely exclusive rare Cardano V-Flex in a blue t-shirt featuring a white Cardano logo. And the ones who minted land on Friday and Saturday will get an exclusive uncommon Cardano V-Flex in a white shirt for free. So these V-Flex avatars, they're saying will never be repeated, won't be for sale anywhere else, and will reflect your OG status on the Cardano Island. So a lot of people, heard us talk about Cardano Virtua before, and Virtua, the metaverse as a whole, and really just how they're collabing and building on top of Cardano is big. This is really a second this is really a next level metaverse. Like the team, you look at what they're doing, even, just looking at what they're doing with the NFT space and what they're doing on the metaverse space and what they plan to do. I hear that there's some big names on this project. Looking at Cardano and the land and the plots, the Cardano Island, which is super exciting. Look at that. It's super exciting. But one thing I want to talk about is one of the most important things for me when I'm looking at a project is the team. Looking at the team here, they got Gary Bracy on the team, and these guys are all like experienced. Like, these guys have 30 plus years on average of experience in development or gaming or market, whatever their sector is on the team. They have that experience. So when I'm looking at the white paper, I'm like, whoa, like the team is legit. It's almost the equivalent to looking at the Cardano team. Like the team is stacked. Okay. Looking at others on the team here, they got people who have been in brand development with Legos and like elite status. Like Pierre, who's on the team, and he's considered a marketing veteran. He's been with Lego, Disney, Auto Trader, 20-year work history, and has joined Terra Virtua in the position of marketing director. Like, come on, guys, the team's stacked. Okay, let's just say it. The team is stacked. Like, there's nothing else I can say. Even looking here, looking at the white paper here, you look at Doug Dyer. He's been 20 plus years already in the gaming industry, with WWE, Major League Baseball, The Simpsons, Harry Potter. Like, there's nothing else I can say when we talk about the team. So definitely take a look at what they're doing, because they're doing big things and it's just getting started. The fact that they've been in development since 2018, like they didn't just come out and poof, like now they're here and they just decided. No, They've been in development since 2018. Team of over 300 people, and 120 of them are developers. So, like this, take a look at this project and definitely take a look at what's going on, because they're going to have, another mint window again on the 24th. So after that, the claim portal will close and it will open back up again in a week. So they're kind of fizzling this out for people. They're giving people opportunity, but it's going to be one of those things like once that opportunity is over, it's done. So again, you must take advantage of an opportunity of a lifetime in the lifetime of the opportunity. Like this is one of them. Check out the team, project, team, white paper. That's pretty much what I do. And to be honest with you, you might do white paper then team for me, but either way, like the team is stacked. Like that's all I can say. Take a look at here. Let's get to the next article here. Next article, Celsius. Celsius users will have an option to get cash at a discount or remain long on crypto. Bankruptcy management firm is stating that. So Celsius Network has outlined steps it will take to repay its customers. In the first day of representing of his representation and presentation at the United States Bankruptcy Court for the Southern District of New York, Celsius says it will offer the customers a choice to recover either cash at a discount or remain long on crypto. The leading firm claims it will use Bitcoin minted by its mining operations to help fund future mining and grow its Bitcoin holdings. I'll be anxious to see like what exactly would happen here, because will people take out, or will they just hold and say, I just want to hold? Because I can only imagine like the cash at a discount, I don't think it will be like significant. So we'll see how that works out. But another Celsius article here is former Celsius executive alleges that the firm was manipulating sell token and neglecting compliance. Now, my only problem with this is he wasn't speaking up when he was working there. Now he's saying that he was at a Christmas party and they were talking about, pumping the token up 3% increase in a day. And, he's saying here they weren't shy about it. They were absolutely trading the token to manipulate the price. It came up in two completely different conversations for two completely different reasons. The compliance team was too small, he's saying. And the compliance was a cost center, basically. And we were sucking out money and not bringing any money back in. They didn't want to spend money on compliance. So he's saying the biggest failure was risk management. That's all fine and all, but the former director of financial crimes compliance, Timothy Cradle, I mean, you weren't saying anything when you were working there. So now it's like, now you have something to say. Come on. People talk about like snitching and all that, but the guy, were you bringing these concerns up before you left? Like, or now you want to say something? Like, come on. I mean, unless this guy left due to seeing the writing on the wall or due to seeing how it operated and decided to leave, I just think it's funny, that now he has something to say. And Celsius' biggest issue was managing risk. Now he has all these, reasons to say. I think it's just a reason for him to get his name in the news. So, but whatever. I mean, but we'll see at this article how much cash they actually give to people at a discount to let them cash out. I think it'll be more beneficial. They probably structure it so that it's beneficial for them to hold than to cash out. But we'll see how that goes. So it seems like we are in a time where it's exciting, yet there's a lot of uncertainty right now, right? We don't know where the bottom is. We don't know what's happening. And then we have stuff like Tesla happening and Celsius happening. It's just like the completely worst time. But sometimes I kind of think it's like strategic, because now the big banks, the big, the one percenters see that now, they see the upside potential with Bitcoin. So when that happens, manipulation potentially happens as well. So anything you can do to push the price down. Granted, I don't think Celsius would orchestrate it, but I do think that there is price manipulation. And when that happens, we have these big banks and big companies taking advantage of these prices, right? So I don't think Tesla's, they only sold 75% of their position, but I definitely think they use the media to take advantage and get in at lower prices. Elon Musk wants to get in at lower prices. So hope you got some value out of this video, guys. Keep moving forward, guys, in everything that you do, and we'll see you soon.